100 Ghana cedis. Kojo Sadis studio, ona me 100 Ghana cedis.
Marakuku Nyawana. Yakuku
Showboy.
Yakuku Ghana to comfort to Kola, Academia Doma. Academia Doma, Bubu Tokema, Nanonchi.
Maraku, let us welcome the arrival of our President, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, the President of Ghana. You are welcome, Akuaba. Yeba Wezo.
And Nana, you should know that this is where Jesus Christ was born. Nana, note it there for us, okay? Nana Wezo, Dukulola, na Ghana Duaja, Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Yeba Wezo. With that, Banaya Adwaza, talking three.
Let's go.
Baraku Anyo.
Running mate of the NDC presidential candidate, Municipal Chief Executive for Agnogan and other MMDCs. Togbeo, Mamao, the people of Anglon. As you all know, in 2.5 months' time, I'll be leaving the presidency as required by the Constitution of our country. I have started going around the country thanking the people of Ghana for their support, for their confidence, and for their assistance these nearly 8 years of my tenure. I will be coming here to the Volta region to pay my respects and to say thank you. But this being the last Hogbetsotso of my presidency, I felt it necessary to come today, to come and pay my respects to Awomefia. I want to thank him and the people of Anglon, indeed the Volta region in Ghana, for the peace that they have maintained these nearly 8 years of my presidency. As we all know, without peace, there can be no proper development. And I want to reiterate what the moderators of this meeting have said, that the peace we are enjoying is a peace that will be carried through the elections of 7th December. I want to assure the people of Anglon, the people of the Volta region, and the people of Ghana that the elections, the forthcoming elections in December, are going to be free, fair, transparent, and peaceful. And on the 7th of December, I'll hand over the baton of national leadership to whoever the people of Ghana choose on the 7th of December to succeed. But today, my purpose here was coming to greet my good friend, Hogbetsotso, the Awomefia of Anglon, and to wish him continuing good health and prosperity. I've heard of the things that are unfinished that he's asking me to do. In the last few months of my government, I'll do my best. But I want to assure him that even after I go, they will be dealt with. I'm so happy that in coming here, I have seen that Osabema Kwesiata, respected Omahini of Gwe, and Dasebre Kwakubwate, Nujabi Mahini, have all come from their respective traditional areas to join Awomefia to show the unity of our country on such occasion. So Awomefia, thank you very much for all your support, advice and counsel over these last 8 years. I'm praying to God to give you long life and more success in your reign. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
It's a display of our beautiful culture. We call them the Tegais.
Nyatapa Guatawa yao Ajurashara Platoi Boha Otodom Yafiam Apanami Emiga Jadona Mashiama Va Apakava Lavovona Liapa Hopazama Tacho.
Hey, what's up? Lekenya Domia, Yakata ni mo ponko mienya. You don't know Stoneboy, Everlove TV. Ya lemkuranwe. All right.